just wanted to welcome to the great city of New Bedford and to talk about the importance of health insurance. We're using this occasion to spread the word, to elevate awareness and sensitivity.
It's great to launch for the first time our Get Covered New Bedford campaign, which starts today but doesn't end today.
And we're all here just to remind everybody that we all should be covered.
Our navigators are from New Bedford. They know the community and know the challenges that we sometimes face.
There's no reason that we can't get full coverage in the very, very near future.
Let's get covered, New Bedford! Let's get covered, New Bedford! All residents of New Bedford can get insured.
Great, fantastic.
We're trying to keep New Bedford covered and insured and make sure that everybody has health insurance.
Let's go, New Bedford!
Vamos, New Bedford, vamos chegar a 100.
Let's get covered, New Bedford!
Vamos fazer, New Bedford.